Okay, I guess this is a hot take. I've had this idea for a long time, and I think I tried to formulate it before. The idea that in the intelligence community or the deep state doesn't like Trump enough that they're trying to manipulate people against Trump. I've always thought that the emergence of Antifa in the United States was rather abrupt, and they seem to be unusually effective very quickly, almost immediately when he was sworn in. Suddenly, there were Antifa guys everywhere. Prior to that, I don't remember seeing a one. Now, maybe it's just that the media never covered it before. Maybe it's just timing. Or maybe there are elements in the intelligence community who push these woke idiots onto the Antifa tactics in order to disrupt Trump. And if that's the case, maybe what needs to happen is we need to manipulate the woke idiots against the intelligence community, against, say, the CIA. I mean, so like, imagine if a hashtag started, the CIA is racist, let's say, and the woke idiots demanded the destruction of the CIA. How would the CIA react to that? I don't think very well. It would be a little bit like turning the woke outrage against itself. Now, you might say, well, you're a conspiracy theorist, and first off, I don't like the term deep state. Second off, I don't think the CIA is manipulating Antifa. Fair point. But even if they're not, I'm not a huge fan of the CIA anyway. And if they were to strike back at Antifa in their own weird way, as the FBI and CIA seem to have struck back at peace protesters back in the day, well, that would be like taking two problems and sort of forcing them into each other, right? So you could have, you know, the FBI, which I think has already got Antifa on the radar pretty good right now, go after these woke idiots, and the woke idiots go after them. And they kind of like, I don't think they destroy each other, but they sort of keep each other occupied for a while the rest of us can live our lives. So that's what I'm thinking. And I don't really know how to start that. There would have to be an incident to point to that the CIA was really racist, and you'd have to get these woke morons on board with canceling them. You know, maybe after the statue thing has lost its charm, they start protesting the CIA. And the CIA won't tolerate these idiots at their buildings or whatever. They're gonna react almost immediately because they're the CIA. They don't like that kind of stuff. So I don't know. Maybe the angle is like, you stop U.S. imperialism, cancel the CIA. I mean, libertarians have wanted to cancel the CIA for a long time. This could be our opportunity. We could turn the teeming masses of woke-tards onto the CIA and kill two birds with one stone. I mean, no matter who wins, you know, out of that fight, the rest of us all benefit. You know, either they destroy Antifa or they cancel the CIA. In which case, I think we have a serious problem with the woke idiots. But I'm pretty sure the CIA would come out on top in that battle. I'm pretty sure. So maybe that's the answer. Maybe hashtag The CIA is racist? I don't know. Is that libel? Or maybe there's a case. Maybe we could dig deep in the. I mean, the CIA has done a bunch of terrible stuff. Maybe we could dig deep and find some operation in particular that was racist. Now, they'll probably just come out with a statement saying, well, that was a different time and we've changed our ways. It might turn the CIA woke and cause them to, start including diversity and inclusion at the CIA, which I'm not sure if that would be a good thing. Maybe the woke idiots might win and turn them around in the HR department and kind of end up warping the CIA. I don't know. Or I think most likely the CIA would be pretty damn pissed off if a bunch of woke idiots showed up to their buildings and started protesting. Plus, they could get a lot of years for that. If you go on government property, I know that the nuns that protested the drones, they got a lot of years. They got way too many years. Way too many. These were old women, peace protesters. They sentenced them to a long time. This was a few years ago with the drones. So yeah, it's just a thought. I don't know if I can condone it, but I think we should cancel the CIA. Maybe it should just be cancel the CIA. Maybe that could get trending. I don't know. I'm thinking of a lot of hashtags today. You'll notice. Save Jimmy Kimmel and cancel the CIA. Maybe the woke mob could be used as a force of good, but I kind of doubt it. Because in the end, I think really the woke mob just has to be defanged somehow. Either with the demise of Twitter, which I think is the only way to really do it, or that people just stop listening to them. Yeah, if you're listening to the woke mob on Twitter, I think you got to really rethink certain things in your life. So, yeah, maybe that's it. Maybe we need to just cancel the CIA and get these woke idiots on board, and the problems will fix themselves.